The ransomware attack is over, systems are restored, the immediate crisis has passed, and 3 months later, clients are still leaving. This happens far more often than people realize. It happens because of one step almost every business skips. A MasterCard survey found that 80% of companies that experienced a cyber attack spent significant time rebuilding trust. Nearly 1 in 5 went bankrupt. Rebuilding trust is not a side effect of recovery. For most businesses, it is the hardest and longest part of the entire ordeal. Here is the disconnect that catches most businesses off guard. Recovery answers if systems are working. Your clients are asking if their data is actually safe now. In 2025, 96% of ransomware attacks involve data theft. This means your clients are worried about whether their information might still be exposed. After systems come back online, most businesses send a statement saying the incident is resolved. But saying you fixed it is not the same as proving it. Every breached company says they take security seriously. Why should any client believe you specifically? Only an independent audit proves it. Here is what verification actually looks like. An independent post-ransomware audit produces a formal, documented report confirming exactly what was found and what was fixed. That report becomes something concrete. Your largest clients can review it directly and file it in their own vendor risk documentation. An independent audit is often the difference between a defensible, accurate legal disclosure and one built on assumptions. Clients do not expect you to be invulnerable. They expect you to be honest and rigorous about what happened and what changed. What is the cost of skipping this step? Clients do not announce they are leaving, they just quietly stop renewing, referrals stop, competitors start getting meetings. By the time leadership notices revenue trending down, the damage is already done. Verification gives clients something concrete to hold on to. Recovery without independent verification asks clients to simply trust you again. Audit is the difference between asking for trust and actually earning it. Recovery restores your systems. Verification restores your credibility. Click the link below and let us run an independent audit that gives your clients something real to evaluate. Do not let this quietly cost you your relationships. Book your Altius IT post-ransomware audit today. Ensure your recovery actually holds.